In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use the assurance dashboard to identify if anyone has deleted or backdated a transaction that could be messing up your books. If you're working in Xero and your numbers suddenly don't look right, this tool is one of the fastest ways to spot what changed and when it happened. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to find the assurance dashboard, how to review activity, and how to check discrepancies that may be affecting your financial reports. If you find this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical accounting software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, log in to your Xero account. Once you're inside your organization dashboard, look at the top menu bar and click on Accounting. When the drop-down menu appears, select Advanced. Inside the Advanced section, you'll see several options related to reporting and system tools. From here, click on Assurance Dashboard. The Assurance Dashboard is designed to help you monitor the integrity of your accounting data. This is especially useful if multiple users have access to your organization or if you suspect that something has been edited, deleted, or backdated. Once you open the dashboard, you'll see an overview of activity and alerts that highlight potential issues. Start by reviewing the Activity section. This area shows recent changes made within the system. You can see if transactions were edited, deleted, or posted into a different period. Pay close attention to anything that looks unusual, especially changes made to reconciled transactions or entries dated in closed periods. These are often the types of changes that cause reports to stop matching previous versions. If you suspect that your financial reports are no longer accurate, compare the dates shown in the assurance dashboard with the period where the discrepancy began. For example, if your bank reconciliation was correct last month but is now off, check for deleted or modified transactions dated within that timeframe. The dashboard will help you quickly pinpoint who made the change and when it happened. Another important thing to look for is backdated transactions. Backdating can impact VAT returns, management reports, and year-end accounts. In the activity feed, scan for transactions entered with earlier dates than when they were actually created. If you notice something that shouldn't have been entered into a closed period, you can investigate further by clicking into the transaction details and reviewing the audit history. The assurance dashboard acts like a safety net. Instead of manually checking every single report or trying to remember what the numbers looked like last week, you can use this tool to immediately identify irregularities. This saves time and reduces stress, especially during month-end or year-end close. If you work with a team, this dashboard is also helpful for accountability. You can see which user made specific changes. That doesn't mean someone did something wrong, but it gives you clarity. Sometimes changes are legitimate corrections, and sometimes they need to be reviewed or reversed. To stay proactive, make it a habit to check the assurance dashboard regularly, especially before finalizing reports or submitting tax filings. A quick review can prevent larger issues later on. So just to recap, go to Accounting, click Advanced, then select Assurance Dashboard. Review the Activity section carefully, check for deleted or backdated transactions, and investigate any discrepancies that may be affecting your books. And that's how you use the Assurance Dashboard to monitor and protect your accounting data in Xero. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.